In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card with a credit card. We'll walk through the process online from a store's website, keeping it simple, secure, and stress-free. Start by going to the retailer's official website. Most places accept major credit cards for gift card purchases, and buying directly from a store helps ensure the card will work as expected. Make sure you're on the correct site by looking for a secure connection in your browser and avoiding any unfamiliar links. Next, choose the gift card you want. Decide between a physical card that's mailed to you and a digital card delivered by email. Digital cards are great for quick gifts or last-minute needs, while physical cards can be a nice touch if you want something tangible. Select the amount you want to load, or pick from the preset denominations. If the site allows a custom value, double-check any minimum or maximum limits. You may also see options for a recipient name and a short message. Fill those in if you're sending the gift directly. Once your selection looks right, add the gift card to your cart and go to checkout. On the checkout page, review your order details carefully. Confirm whether you've chosen a digital or physical delivery, verify the amount, and make sure the email or mailing address is correct. This is a good moment to check for any shipping fees on physical cards or service fees on certain brands. Proceed to the payment page and choose to pay with your credit card. If your browser has saved a card, you can select it, or you can enter your card number, expiration date, and security code manually. Ensure the billing address matches what your bank has on file, as mismatches can cause declines. Take a moment to confirm the total amount, including taxes or fees, before you continue. Complete the payment by following the on-screen prompts. Some banks use additional verification for security, so you might see a quick authentication step. Once submitted, wait for the confirmation screen. You should also receive an order confirmation by email. Keep it handy in case you need support later. Finally, receive the gift card. For digital delivery, check your inbox for the card and redemption code. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a few minutes and look in your spam or promotions folder. For physical cards, watch for a shipping confirmation and tracking information and allow time for delivery. That's it! You've successfully purchased a gift card with your credit card.